Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got the Master-Log 130D out of the pack, hopefully, and maybe a Speedpick at the end. So let's open this one up. This little hard to get this stuff in Europe over here, but I managed to order it from Amazon. So yeah, let's see what we can do with this stuff here. So 130. It's a little bulky key. Works perfect. Let's see how fast this will be. At least at first we try just to open it, and then we maybe try to Speedpick it. Maybe. That was a Ford set. Okay, so it's not that easy. It is. Actually, it is. Kind of fucked me a little up, so let's see if I can repeat this. Okay. A little surprised right now, but I take it. Alright, so another try. One or two more tries on this 130. Another one. Reset. So basically there's only one pin on this lock, which you need to set. Well, I think I did enough. Thanks for watching. Master-Log 130, out of the pack, Speedpick. See you next time. Bye bye.